Here at the R Bar, inside of Renew Aesthetics, an IV hydration bar, we want to make sure that you have all of your medical weight loss needs met. We offer 2 types of GLP-1s, semaglutide and tirzepatide. Semaglutide is a first generation, tirzepatide is a second generation. You also have a medical weight loss kit. The Wonder Kit doesn't need any lab work. You don't need to come in here and see us. It will support and help your weight loss goals and make you do a little bit more of that human growth factor. So if you're working out and eating right already and you just need a little extra support, the Weight Loss Wonder Kit is ideal for you. If you're like, I need a medical team to make sure that I'm successful and make sure that my dosing, my diet, and lifestyle are all optimized in order for me to meet my healthiest goals, we can do that too. So our team of nurses and our nurse practitioner will meet with you, do lab work, and ensure that you have the safest, highest quality GLP-1s in the area.